Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah, yeah.
Right now, what you right now? This somebody that crashed before the intro. Yeah, that's somebody, you know?
Most of that's oil. There's not too much oil. Acha. Yeah.
I don't feel like a girl at Jones. A girl in there like a Spanish girl, you know?
I'm alone in there. That's why.
Watch out!
Oh, road over there. What am I doing now? Mackerel.
See? See me I tell her? See me I tell her say that's somebody I gotta do, man.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you don't know the thing said. Bless. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one bagger, and a one. I gotta continue giving the daily updates on the people on the see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end. And with that being said, boy, oh boy, it looked like Kizzy get caught in a wicked lie. As you seen in the beginning of the video, there was no truck in sight that made, Kizzy crash. Unfortunately, people got the recordings of her leaving, wherever they was coming from that night. You see me, I say, and she make big speech today, basically saying, why she brought back the car, because it was her fault. You know what I mean? But she kept on saying that she only, crashed the car because she was trying to avoid, a truck that was coming so close to her. You know what I mean? And when I put up, her post, that prompted people to come in the comment section and say, I lied, the gal I tell you, see me, I said she was driving drunk, allegedly. You know what I mean? But given the bad reputation with the truck, them on the road, and, Jamaicans driving bad, everybody believe, that go on from one to go on. But as you can see, evidence shows a vehicle like Mackerel's crashing. Anyway, people, that's the one giving you that quick update while go on from not to go on. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we drop the latest. Bless.
I don't want the problem. There you go. And to solve all the problems that and you don't want to.
People's in it. Are you okay for you, Mackerel?
I do.
Are you okay?
I never use that. For Mackerel, I was able to raise the money with some of my savings additionally. Here's the receipt. Here is the vehicle title. The live is on. If you want to say something, I think it's your time now that you can. You can go ahead and say whatever you have to say, Mackerel. Please step back so they can see the car all the way back. First of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to all my supporters who messaged me off air, about contributing. I managed to, raise just about the amount for the car. Let me see the receipt. Total of the car was 510,000. Whatever I got, I didn't keep any of it. I am tired and I am traumatized. As you can see, I'm still shaken up by this entire situation. I just want a break. Thank you so much, Kizzy, and you never have to do this game. Not the way that you feel out because that is good there. You go to your I have back on you and just want to thank you so much and I appreciate it. I don't even make a prank, but thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really love you and I just think we can move past it. Definitely. We just make it feel like it never happened. Never happened. I'm really grateful and thank you so much. You're welcome, Mackerel. So are you at ease now? Yeah, girl. As you should be, Mackerel. As you should be. How are you feeling from the accident? We can't sleep. Like, I couldn't sleep either. You're Friday like a Friday day. I am still traumatized. Yes. Mostly right here. My arm is still a bit sore, but it's not under. I'm just more so shaken out by the incident. And it's not my Come on, Matthew, let's go. Okay, guys, come. We can show them inside of the car, as well as the rims. Additionally, I got some nice rims. I managed to pick out something with at least some nice rims at that. Go ahead. So that's inside of the car. It's not a new car, guys, but it's in good condition and it's driving. It's a 2006 Hustle, just like the one she had before. All right, so it's all of people, and I hope we can move past this. Mark the bus next to you. Do you have a car charger? Okay, you want one? Here you go. Giving you lines. Alright, so yeah, I will go now, guys.